Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Picked this one up for £4.99 in the charity shop. Don't often see quadcopters or multi-rotors or whatever you prefer to call them in the charity shops. I did have one that was a put together kit and that one worked okay, but I usually shy away from helicopters in the charity shops because they always need the batteries replacing and usually don't work anyway. But this one, it's the Cheerson Cricket, as they call it, CX-17 with camera, and it seems to work. I've already had it out the box and I did take it out today with the intention of flying it somewhere outdoors, but we didn't get an opportunity in the end. So we've got the instructions. I've already put together a little playlist on YouTube. There'll be a link in the video description so you can watch people who actually know what they're talking about giving it a proper review. So I'm not going to attempt to do a proper review of it. I'm no good at flying them anyway. But what I am doing here is talking about what you're buying in charity shops and whether they're any good. The series is called Charity Shop Gold or Garbage because sometimes it's gold when you buy it and sometimes it's garbage when you buy it. So looking at this one, propeller looks a little bit sorry. That one's bent up. The other's got a few little chips out of them. Probably ought to swap that one rather than bend it back. But we might just see if it flies anyway. Well, I can tell you it flies because I've already tried it. In fact, that bend might even have been me flying it. But the little chips out of there were already there. Yeah, bottom line is it works. And I'm surprised because I fully expected it not to work at all. In fact, it's fully charged as well at the moment. Yeah, pretty lights. Turn it off again. So we've got the controller here, which has this special feature. You can make it bigger. It's also got this bit here, so you can mount your smartphone there and use it as full FPV. In fact, you could even put the smartphone in your FPV goggles if you've got that sort of goggles. We have got the charger, and I have charged it, and we've got the spare propellers. In fact, that's extra spare propellers, isn't it? There's 4 sets. Oh, yeah, 4 white and 4 black there. Oh, that's nice. And the propeller remover. And on this phone, which is one of my spare phones, I'll have to wait for that to power up. But I have already downloaded the app onto this one. Now we have to do it in the right order. Turn him on. Okay, got the lights. Turn this on. Okay, so we have actually got them bound together, and then on this one we go onto Wi-Fi. Hang on, better check that we've logged onto the right Wi-Fi. Oh yes, it is straight away, CX-17 Wi-Fi. So it's logged onto the Wi-Fi. So if I go on the app, go on there, we can control it from here, or if we turn that off, we're in FPV mode. Oh, can we actually see the screen there? There you go, we're in FPV mode. So if I put that in the right place, then you should be able to actually control it with these whilst flying at FPV. Now, I'm not going to be able to do that. I might give it a try, but it would be my first attempt, or second attempt to be exact, because I gave it a little try last night and I was hopeless. But we will just see if we can get it to launch. Oh, we've lost it straight away. That'll be the phone that's the problem, I would think, more than the controller. It's a bit old, this phone. Yeah, lost it again. Well, we'll cancel that because that's just going to confuse things. Turn the Wi-Fi off, and we'll see if we can just fly it manually. Right, I expect this will end horribly, but we'll do the basics. It's one touch takeoff, press that button up, and landing, press that button down. Other than that, throttle, direction, forwards, backwards. I can't remember which is yaw and which is turn, but left, right, and spin left, right, yeah. That one, we can change the modes so it goes faster, and it's also camera record. Don't know if they work, haven't tried it. Let's just try and take off. Okay. Of course, I'm pressing the camera button, but I haven't got it connected to the phone, so there's nothing to store the video. Is that my 6 minutes up yet? It's about 6 minutes run time. Right, flashing lights tell you it's out of power. And that's what we got. So, it works. £4.99, it works. The Wi-Fi seemed a bit iffy, but I think that's more than likely my phone rather than the Cricket itself. So, yeah. I'm not sure if I really want a quadcopter, but £4.99, I can afford to let my grandsons play with that and break it.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.